To buy Dino token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before we're going to buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screen as you can see. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. It means there's an investment in a safe place. So to be able to buy this token, remember this token came under the Solana network. Now copy the token address from here, open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address. And after that, as you can see, if you're trying to buy it on your Phantom wallet, you will not find it there. Now to be able to buy this token, I will try the Bitkit wallet too. Now select the Solana network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address from here, and as you can see in the Bitkit wallet, it's available there. Just click on this plus icon, go back to your wallet from here, and as you can see, this is just click on it. Now here click on swap and switch it from here. Select the token that you want to buy with, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet, type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token. This is how to buy Dino token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.